Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the steps how to convert Outlook OST file to PDF file in some clicks. Firstly, download now Recover OST to PDF Converter Wizard and get this ultimate features. Attachments are converted in PDF document. Create non-searchable PDF file required for security reasons. Advanced mail filter and folder filter options. Maintain complete data folder structure. Install and run Recover OST to PDF Wizard. For more details, check description. And click on Next button. If you have Outlook application running on the machine, select the Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data. Otherwise, there are two ways to upload Outlook OST files directly. Click on Select File or Select Folder option. Click on the Select File button and choose the OST file from the saved location, and then click on the Open button. Use recovery mode. This option allows you to recover corrupted PST or OST file data. And click on Next button. Now, you will see the number of files and folders in the software panel. Here, you choose the required OST files or folder for the conversion process. And hit the Next button. There is a very useful feature, Convert Attachment as PDF, that is only available in the Pro license of the tool. Enabling it, you can convert attachments as well in PDF document pages. Then, comes the black and white mode option. If you select this function, the resulting PDF files will create as non-searchable. Checking the converted message same folder, you can get the email messages in the default folder. Now, please note that if you don't change the destination path to see the final PDF files, the tool will save it on your desktop location. So, to specify a location, click on folder-like icon and mention the location in the field. If you want to save the converted document in a more organized way, please choose one option from the multiple file names based on time, date, subject, from, etc. It is the best technique to keep converted PDF documents. Please uncheck the Ignore System folder hierarchy so that the original folder structure is maintained. Now, click on the Filters option tab and select the Advanced setting for filter saving. This feature will help you sort OST files using many important filters such as date, range, from, to, subject, and many other fields. After that, go back to the Saving option window and click on the Convert button. You can see the live conversion from OST files to PDF documents. The software also shows the email count. When the data is completely converted, a complete conversion message appears. Click on the OK tab. Now, it will prompt a message with a limitation of trial. Trial version will allow you to convert 25 emails from each folder. Now, click on OK button. Next, you will find a log text data report. Then, the software automatically opens the location where converted OST files into PDF save. Click on it and get 100% results. The software automatically opens the destination path where PDF files has been saved. See the list of PDF files. Open PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Here you can see the PDF pages and the attachments. You need to click on the paperclip icon to see the attachments. Here are 1 attachments embedded which you can see. Then right-click on attachment icon and you will find options of Open, Save, and Search. Choose the option as per your need.